pwede ka nang kumita ng 11,200 per week. But before that, let me reiterate why online business is a great business for you. First, timing. Perfect timing. It is now the trend, meaning ito na ang uso. And the best part is, hindi na ito mawawala sa uso. Why? Because it's now becoming a part of every people's life. Na parang may kulang pag di tayo nag-online, right? Even a 5-year-old kid nga marunong na mag-Facebook. And more people are taking advantage of the internet for personal man yan or business reasons. Second, no operational cost. Gumagastos ka man sa electricity or internet connection, pero with or without an online business, ginagastosan mo na yan. So, why not use your online hours productively and make a profit from using the internet? Third, you will have your own global business. Pag online ang business mo, global ka agad yan kasi you'll be able to touch millions of market na normally hindi mo magagawa sa traditional way of doing business. Actually, marami pang reasons na kasama dyan. Yung wala kang boss, you make your own schedule, it's hassle-free, plus you can bring your business anywhere with you because it's virtual. Now, are you ready? Are you ready to be part of this social media revolution? Familiar? Sa Facebook? Oo naman, I'm sure meron ka niyan. Pero kilala mo ba ang gumawa niyan? He's Mark Zuckerberg, a college dropout who at age 23 hit his first $1 billion yan and became the youngest self-made billionaire in the history of the world. Wow. If Facebook is a country, it would be the third largest because currently it has 750 million users and counting. Pero, the question there is, sa 750 million users, ilan kaya ang kumikita doon? Kumikita ba tayong mga members ng Facebook? Yung owner lang, right? What if I tell you that there is one social networking site na hindi lang ang creator or owner ang kumikita, pero pati mga members nila? Will you register? The name of the creator of the social networking site is Cafea Global Innovations Incorporated, na ang vision niya is to create a Facebook-like site kung saan ang mga members ay magkakaroon ng chance na kumita kahit nasa bahay lang. And since it's a social networking site, signing up here is for free. Yes, parang Facebook talaga. Libre lang. And what are you going to do next? Yung mga normal lang nating ginagawa sa internet. You just have to simply like, share, post, add friends. Ganun lang kadali. And Cafea will pay you for doing that through our referral program. Now, how would you like to earn 11,200 per week? If magkakaroon ka ng additional income na 11,200 per week, apart from your main income right now, will it create an impact in your life? May mababago ba sa buhay mo if you're going to earn 11,200 additional every week? Well, here in Cafea, that's very, very possible. So, for you to become entitled sa earnings, you simply have to upgrade your personal account into a business account. Ganun lang kasimple. All you need to do is upgrade, and you can already start earning. So, how will Cafea pay you? Inside your account, you will see in there My Referrals. This is actually your friends list. Yung friends mo na nag-sign up under your referral link. So, once you upgrade your account, you will now have a business account and you will have a what we call genealogy, which will be your business tree. This is for you and the company na matrack ang earnings mo. Inside your genealogy, you will have two organizations under you. You will have a left business group and a right business group, which is independent from each other. So, as soon as your friends upgrade their accounts, they will also enter your business tree or your genealogy. So, sabihin na natin na yung isa sa mga friends mo, nag-upgrade na. So, pag nag-upgrade yan, you will earn 50 pesos. That's your incentive. Then say nag-upgrade din si Pink Girl, you will earn another 50 pesos. This is called direct referral incentive. So, each time someone upgrades from your friends, meron kang 50 pesos each. So, what if 100 of your Facebook friends nag-upgrade din? So, that's an instant 5,000 earnings. Ganun lang kasimple. There is no limit. Kahit ilan, pwede. Kumbaga, the more the merrier. At hindi lang yon, may bonus ka pa. Kapag nagkaroon ka ng pair sa group mo, meaning one left, one right, you will earn another incentive of 100 pesos. Ang tawag po dyan is pairing or matching bonus. So meaning, for every pair, Cafeya will pay you an extra 100 pesos. Meaning, since two of your friends upgraded their accounts, yan, that's a total of 200 income already. Eto ang malupit. You don't only earn from your friends' upgrade. You also earn from your friend of friends, and from your friends of friends of friends, and so on. You will earn 100 pesos for each pair down the line. So let's say you have two people na nag-upgrade, say kay Red Boy, at dalawa din kay Pink Girl. So it means, magkakaroon ka ngayon ng two pairs. So that's 2 times 100 pesos. That's an extra 200 pesos. So, ganito yan. Again, this is you. That's your business account, your virtual account. Si Red Boy at Pink Girl plus yung dalawa nilang friends na nag-upgrade din. Do you think may mga friends din, mga yan na willing to earn and willing to upgrade? So, whether you like it or not, dadami ng dadami yan. So, what does it mean to you? Kung sa Facebook, dumadami nga mga friends natin at wala tayong pakinabang. Lalo na dito, nadadami ng dadami yan because we are all earning. So, dito sa Cafeya, kapag dumadami ang mga friends nila, masaya ka because Cafeya is going to pay you 100 for every single pair. So, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, and so on and so forth. May katapusan ba ito? Wala po. It's up to infinite level. Meaning, kahit pang 100th pair or pang 1,000th pa yan, may pairing bonus ka pa rin. But of course, para ang company tumagal, meron po tayong tinatawag na safety net. We call this our maximum daily limit. Cafeya will only pay you a maximum of 16 pairs per day. That's your daily limit. So, say for a given day, nagkaroon ka ng more than 16 pairs. Hindi na babayaran sa'yo yung 17th pair onwards. Only if that happened sa loob ng isang araw. So, ibig sabihin, in excess of 16 pairs, it will all be flushed out. Well, anyway, that's already a gross income of 1,600 in one day. Hindi mo naman kikitain yan sa labas, normally, right? So, weekly, you can earn a maximum of 11,200. And a monthly potential income of 48,000 pesos. So, kahit dumami ng dumami, upgraded members under you, hanggang 48,000 pesos ka lang in a month. But, if you want more than 48,000, and there's a way, you can actually watch my other video. It's maximizing your income potential by having multiple accounts. Now, I'm going to show you how you can reach the maximum income of 11,200 in as fast as 8 weeks. Weekly kasi yung payout natin here in Cafea, every Friday. Say, in our first week, let's say, only 2 people upgraded from your friends. That is only a very, very small number. Dalawa lang. And it happened within a week time. You think it's possible? Oo naman. So, sa first week mo, may 1 pair ka at 2 direct referral incentive, so you earned a total of 200 pesos. Now, the following week, ganun din yung nangyari sa kanila. 2 of their friends upgraded on their first week. Yes, 2 lang sa mga friends nila, and it happened sa loob ng 1 linggo. So, that's 2 pairs or 200 pesos. So, third week, ganun lang din. Dalawa lang din from their friends list ang nag-upgrade. So, meaning, may 4 pairs ka on your third week, that's 400 pesos. Fourth week, 8 pairs or 800 pesos. Fifth week, 16 pairs or 1,600. Sixth week, 32 pairs or 3,200. Now, 7th week, grabe. 64 pairs na yan, or 6,400 in just 1 week. Daig mo pa ang nag-work niyan sa labas ng 8 hours a day and 5 days a week. Kasi 15 days nilang tatrabawin yan. Ikaw, 1 week lang. And on your 8th week, na-reach mo na ang maximum sa week na yan kasi meron kang 128 pairs, but instead of 12,800, you will only get 11,200 pesos. Because that's already your maximum income in a week. So, meaning kahit tumami pa yan the following week, hanggang 11,200 ka lang. So, imagine if this happens to you. Do you think matagal ang 8 weeks? Ilang years ka na ba sa work mo or dyan sa business mo? How much are you earning right now? Think about it. Kahit nga 8 months bago mangyari yan, di pa rin masama. Ako nga, it took me 5 years in employment to reach that level of income. Pero dito sa Cafea, worse na ang 8 months. So, wala pong kahirap-hirap how to earn 11,200 here for every week. Yes, 2 tao pa lang po ang pinag-uusapan natin na nag-upgrade. Dalawa lang. What if 20 of your friends upgraded? And 20 of their friends upgraded then? What if may nag-upgrade sa'yo not weekly, but daily? Just do the math. Just think about this. How many people in Facebook, friends mo man yan or hindi, na gustong kumita ng 11,200 per week? How many people are looking for an extra income? How many people ang kinakapos sa budget every now and then? And how many people ang naghahanap ng mapagkakakitaan sa internet? We are talking about millions of people. And since this is online, even Filipinos abroad can become your market, hindi lang dito sa Pinas. So again, let's go back. How you can start here in Cafea. Nag-sign up ka na ba? Register now for free. Ask the person who showed you this video the link where to sign up. Second, simply share this video. How many YouTube videos na ba na-share natin? Ito na lang i-share mo, makakatulong ka pa sa buhay nila. Next, just give them their replicated site or your referral link. What's the username you use to sign up here in Cafea? So, if for example, ang username mo is Reach, that's going to be reach.mycafea.com. So, go spread your link. And lastly, upgrade your account so you can start earning. Alam ko na next question mo. How do I upgrade my account? It's simple. Just buy a Cafea Business Starter Kit. Presyo lang yan ng isang t-shirt. Kulang pa para pambili ng sapatos. Sobrang cheap lang po ng investment natin pero you can potentially earn 11,200 per week. So, what's inside Cafea Business Starter Kit? You get a sample product for you to try. It's an 8-in-1 healthy coffee. You'll get a privilege card which will entitle you 25% discount sa lahat ng health and wellness products ng Cafeya. You also get discount from different establishments na ka-tie up ng company natin. You will also get discount on airline tickets pag nagpabook ka sa Ezam Travel and Tours, plus 9 to 25% discount on more than 200 prepaid load products, which includes Sun, Globe, and Smart. Plus, automatic insured ka for 10,000. And that's a really value for money investment. If you want to know more about the products and services of Cafeya, just search on my channel so you can watch my other video presentation. Now, if you want to earn more, I suggest you go for our other packages. Our starter kit here has a potential income of 48,000. Next, we have a basic package that's 3 business accounts that can give you a potential income of 144,000 pesos. And our advanced package, this is for business people who would like to earn as much as 336,000 pesos in a month. If you don't want to work for the rest of your life and you want to be financially free, you go for the advanced package. We will teach you how you can reach the maximum income potential of 336,000 pesos in a period of less than 1 year. So, siguradong secured na ang future mo at ng mga anak or magiging anak mo kapag kumikita ka na ng 6 digits per month, right? So, if I were you, you go for the advanced package. But if you just want to try this business out, you can go for the basic package or yung starter kit kung gusto mo mag-try lang. But I really suggest you go for the advanced package, which I did. So, just search on my channel to watch my video regarding maximizing income potential here in Cafeya. So let me just share with you how much did I make on my first two weeks here in this business. I actually earned 6,385 net na yan. So first 2 weeks ko pa lang, ganun kabilis. Then these are some of my checks. 11,380, 11,830. Yan, last February 10. Actually, marami pang mas malalaking checks dyan, mga nauna sa akin na nag-join. Mas malalaki pa dyan yung checks nila, kumbaga yung sa akin. Maliit pa lang yan, pero that's just to show you na kumikita talaga dito. Yan ang proof na meron talagang mga kumikita, and I'm one of them. Cafeya really pays. And I'm very thankful that I found this opportunity. Now, I'm just sharing this with you. And hindi ko na po kailangan magtrabaho outside kasi pa Facebook lang. Pero daig ko pang nag-work ng 8 hours every day sa labas. So position yourself now. The time is now. Especially now na pasimula pa lang ang Cafeya. Parami na po ng parami ang nag-e-enjoy dito sa Cafeya. These are real people na kasali na here in this business. Meron tayo different groups na all over the Philippines, Pampanga, Zambales, Tarlac, Davao, Palawan, Bicol. Marami pa pong iba. Sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas, even mga kababayan natin abroad, we have a team na po in Singapore, Lebanon, Dubai, Saudi, Canada. In just 4 months of operations, umabot na po ng 10,000 plus ang upgraded members and counting. Parami pa ng parami every day. Join us now and be one of us. Sign up now for free. And please contact the person who shared this video with you. Like it, share it. Thank you very much for watching.